chocolate and banana toastie. Trim off the bread crusts with a sharp knife and thin each piece of bread by slicing into 2 halves of equal thickness, then thinly slice 1 banana. Spread the chocolate spread evenly over 8 slices of bread and sprinkle over 2 tablespoons of ground hazelnuts. Place 1 slice of banana on top and then cover with the remaining slices of bread to make into a sandwich. Spread butter over the top of the bread and fry each sandwich on both sides. Cut in half and serve with the garnish of your choice.